When you take the time to create something small, your stress hormones notice. Did you know that even tiny creative acts can help you to reduce your stress levels? It's true. Even tiny creative acts, nothing big, nothing grandiose, nothing that takes days, hours, weeks, or even longer. Tiny little creative events can help to reduce the stress in your life, because these creative acts restore agency and attention. When we stop everything else and give our focus, even if for a very short time, on creating something, it restores our power. It is incredibly empowering. And it requires attention. So it shifts our attention away from any and everything else that may be going on around us, and focuses it on that small act of creation. This is so simple, yet so effective. And if you do this throughout the day, you will be pleasantly surprised how much you can benefit from it. 3 minutes. Give it 3 minutes of creativity. 3 minutes to allow yourself to create something, to be creative. And believe me, you don't need to be creative by nature. You don't have to be an artist or known as somebody who is artistic or creative. Anybody can do this. 3 minutes. Once a day is great, but if you can do it more than once a day, it's that much better. So what kind of 3 minutes of creativity could you engage in to help yourself to better manage the stress in your life? What about sketching, doodling? You don't have to be an artist. You don't have to be artistic. Give it a whirl. Try to create a sketch. It's just for you. It's for your eyes only. You don't have to show it to anyone else. But spend the time, 3 minutes. Not very long, but it gives you agency. It empowers you, and it gets your focus onto something positive, something creative, or at the very least, something neutral. Or how about making a collage? Again, it doesn't have to be longer than 3 minutes. It doesn't have to be big. Just create something. What about practicing your handwriting? You may snicker at this or raise your eyebrows at me mentioning handwriting, but so many of us rely on keyboards, be they digital or real physical keyboards. So few people write anymore in this world of technology. So practicing your handwriting is not only good for your handwriting, but it allows you to practice the connections that are made between your brain and your hand, the motor skills that are required for proper penmanship. So why not try practicing your penmanship for 3 minutes? You can write a postcard to someone, you can journal, or you can just practice writing to see if you can improve your penmanship. If you don't have any ideas of what to write, you can look at a book or a magazine and copy a few lines just to practice your penmanship. No creativity required, but still you are creating something. How about engaging in a little bit of coloring? I know it sounds silly and maybe childish, but you know, there are plenty of coloring books for adults, and they're there for a reason, because it can be a very nice creative outlet when we are busy and stressed out throughout the day. Something so simple 3 minutes once a day, an excellent way to combat stress and its effects. What about a simple craft? Anything that you may enjoy doing or you may have enjoyed doing in the past, something simple, something small, something that will take you 3 minutes. Or it could be something that you work on for 3 minutes at a time. Whatever the case may be, focus on actually, genuinely creating something. Those creativity breaks can have a tremendous impact, a very positive effect when dealing with the daily stress. So pick something to do every day. It can be the same thing, it can be a nice variety of things, whatever resonates with you. If you can commit to more than once a day, that's even better. But give yourself at least 3 minutes a day to self-empower, to shift your focus from the busyness and the stress of the day. And watch what happens in the next week, in the next 10 days, 14 days. See the benefits of how you're showing up in the world, how you're dealing with life, how you're dealing with stress. I think you will be pleasantly surprised. If you'd like to learn more about a comprehensive approach to stress management, check out the links below.